in West Reading, but we have been able to kind of bop around a bit, if you will, just to kind of get some kind of an idea as to what the roads are like. Some difficult conditions out here, there's no doubt about that. We haven't seen a lot of folks out and about today, and the ones we have seen are either shoveling, using their snow blowers. Some of them have their four-wheelers that they're trying to get around in. So one way or the other, they're doing the best they can to get around, but we do believe that folks are heeding the warning and just staying inside in this area as the snow continues to accumulate. Back to you guys.
Snow day. There they are. They're shoveling outside. Now you may be wondering, oh, why aren't you out there helping them shovel? Well, I strained my back muscle and I was told not to shovel to help heal my back, so I'm just kind of chilling in here. I actually this morning made a nice breakfast for them and I just finished cleaning it all up. And yeah, when they're done and all like rested up and whatnot, we're gonna go have a lot of fun. They said we were supposed to get like over 3 feet of snow, but I think we only got like 1.5 feet or so. I think we did an official measurement and it was like 14-15 inches, so I mean that's still awesome. And I just, like, they said it was supposed to snow like all day and all of tomorrow, and I think there's some clouds over there, so I think maybe we'll get a little bit more, at least I'm hoping, because I'd also really like to have off tomorrow just because why not. But yeah. This is super fun.